Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you les adverbes première partie. That means I am going to teach you the adverbs first part. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, I'm going to teach you the adverbs in this video. I'm going to divide this series into 3 videos. In the first part, that means in today's video, I'm going to teach you what exactly is an adverb, what is the difference between an adjective and an adverb, and we are going to look at some of the examples of the adverbs which you cannot modify. Alright, in the second and the third part of this series, we are going to study the adverbs that are formed from the adjectives. So first, let's study what exactly is the difference between an adjective and an adverb. Quelle est la différence entre un adjectif et un adverbe? What is the difference between an adjective and an adverb? Quelle est la différence entre un adjectif et un adverbe? Now for that, I have created a table in order to explain you the difference between an adjective and an adverb. Alright, so let's look at what exactly is an adjective first. So adjective is a word which qualifies or which modifies a noun or a pronoun. Let's look at this in more detail through some examples. The first example which is written in front of you is Clara est belle. Clara est belle. In English that would be Clara is beautiful. Now Clara is my noun. What are nouns? Nouns are name, place, animal, thing. They are nouns. Okay. So now Clara, which is a person, who is a person. Clara est belle. So Clara is beautiful. Now beautiful is telling me the quality of what? Beautiful is telling me the quality of Clara, and Clara is a noun. So something which tells you the quality of a noun is an adjective. So Clara est belle. Belle is my adjective because that's telling me the meaning of Clara. That's telling me the quality of Clara. Next, j'ai une grande maison. I have a big house. J'ai une grande maison. Now grande is telling me the quality of maison. Now what exactly is a maison? That means I have a big house. A house. Now that's my noun, and grande is telling me the quality of house. I have a big house. So big is telling me the quality of house. So that means grande is my adjective. Now let's look at it by the third example, which is il est beau. He is handsome. Now he is my pronoun. Okay. Now what am I saying? He is handsome. So handsome is telling me the quality of il, which is a pronoun. So something which tells you the quality of a noun or a pronoun, that's an adjective. So belle is telling me the quality of Clara, which is a noun. So that's an adjective. Grande is telling me the quality of maison. So maison is my noun, so grande automatically is an adjective. Beau, which means handsome, is telling me the quality of il, and il is my pronoun. Alright, so beau is my adjective. Now that we have understood what exactly is an adjective, let's understand what is an adverb. Now adverb is a word which tells you the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay, adverb is a word which tells you the quality of verb, adjective, or another adverb. Let's look at it through some examples. The first example which is there is il court vite, which means he runs fast. Il court vite. Now if you think in English also, he runs fast. What is court? That's a verb. If I'm saying he runs fast, fast is telling me the quality of he or run. It's telling me the quality of run. How fast a person runs, right? So he runs fast. Fast is telling me the quality of runs, which is a verb. So that's why vite is an adverb, because vite is telling me the quality of court. Court is a verb. Automatically vite is an adverb. Now Clara est très belle. Just now we looked this example. Clara est belle. Here what did I tell you? Belle is my adjective. Why? Because it's telling me the quality of a noun, which is Clara, right? Here I'm saying Clara est très belle. If I'm saying, think in English only. If you say Clara is very beautiful, Clara is very beautiful. So beautiful is my adjective because that's telling me the quality of Clara, which is a noun. Now if I'm saying Clara is very beautiful, very is telling me the quality of how much beautiful a person is. So Clara is very beautiful. Very is telling me the quality of beautiful, which is my adjective. Now something which tells me the quality of an adjective is also an adverb. So très is my adverb. Now next is il court très vite. Just now we looked at the first example wherein I said il court vite. Vite is my adverb. Why? Because it's telling me the quality of verb, which is court. So now il court très vite. Vite is telling me the quality of court, and très is telling me the quality of vite. So he runs fast. Fast is telling me the quality of runs, and very is telling me the quality of fast. So this is also an adverb and this is also an adverb, because adverbs tells you the quality of another adverb also. So très is telling me the quality of another adverb, which is vite. Il court très vite. Très is also an adverb and vite is also an adverb. So that's what exactly is the difference between an adjective and an adverb. I'll just repeat it for you. Adjective tells me the quality of a noun or a pronoun. An adverb tells you the quality of a verb, adjective or another adverb. Now there is one more difference between an adjective and an adverb. Let's just understand. An adjective agrees in gender and in number as per the noun or the pronoun it qualifies. So an adjective, you will make the feminine or the plural of the adjective depending upon, it's telling me that particular adjective is telling me the meaning of which pronoun or which noun or which pronoun. Alright, now let's understand this through some examples. I've written 4 examples in front of you. Il est grand. When I say il est grand, that means he is tall. So tall is telling me the meaning of il, because who is tall? Il. Now il is my pronoun, that's why grand is my adjective, right? Now if you see, tall is telling me the quality of what? It's telling me the quality of il, and il is masculine and it's singular. It's masculine and it's singular. So that's masculine, singular. That's why grand is my adjective, which is in masculine and singular form, right? When I say elle est grande, here I'm writing she is tall. Who is tall now? She. So she is feminine and that's singular. So that's why if you see, I have added e in grand and it makes it grande. So that's feminine singular. So you see, the adjective is telling me the meaning of il, and grande here is telling me the meaning of elle. So this will also change. You will make the feminine of the adjective depending upon it's telling me the meaning of what in the sentence. Let's say here, ils sont grands. They are tall. Now here tall is telling me the meaning of they, which is of course masculine, and that's plural. They, that's plural. So if you see, I have added s. I've added s over here, and it makes it masculine plural. So ils sont grands. And finally, elles sont grandes. Now here grande is telling me the meaning of elle, which is feminine and which is plural, right? So here I have added E and S in order to make it feminine plural. So what I mean to say is the adjective is always accorded as per the noun it qualifies. Here, like I just gave you the examples like grand, grande, grand, grandes. They are changing as per il, and elle, right? Now, whereas the adverb is always constant. It is always invariable. It never agrees in gender and in number as per the verb or the adjective or another adverb it qualifies. I'll give you the example. Let's look at the first example. Il court vite, which means he runs fast. Now you see, in all the 4 examples, here I'm saying il court vite, he runs fast. Here I'm saying elle court vite, which means she runs fast. Il court vite, which means they run fast. And elle court vite, which means they run fast. Now if you see, vite is not changing. It's not taking E or S depending upon il. Why? Because vite is not even telling me the quality of il and elle. It's telling me the quality of verb. So adverb is always invariable, right? It will never take E or S depending upon the masculine or the feminine. It will always remain constant no matter whatever is your noun or your pronoun. Now that we have understood what exactly is an adverb and how they are different from the adjective, what is the difference between an adjective and the adverbs. Now let's look at the first type of adverbs. The adverbs, les adverbes qu'on ne peut pas modifier, the adverbs that we cannot modify. So as I already told you, I am going to divide this series into 3 videos. Here in the first part, I have told you what exactly is an adverb and what is the difference between an adjective and the adverb. And next we are looking at the adverbs which we cannot modify. In the second and the third part of this series, I am going to teach you the adverbs which are formed from the adjectives. So let's look at the first one, which are les adverbes qu'on ne peut pas modifier. That means the adverbs that we cannot modify. So here are some of the examples of the adverbs that you cannot modify. They remain constant. Alright. That means they are not taken or they are not formed from the adjectives. They are constant. They are written like that. Okay. So let's look at the first one, which is beaucoup. Beaucoup, which means a lot or very much. Beaucoup. Now this sign means the opposite. So I've written all of them through the opposites. So beaucoup, which means a lot or very much. The opposite is peu. Peu, which means a little. So beaucoup, peu. Both of them are the adverbs. Next is bien, mal. Now bien, which means good or well. The opposite is mal. Mal, which means bad. Okay. So bien, mal. Beaucoup, peu, bien, mal. Next, plus, moins. Now plus, which means more, moins, which means less. So plus, moins. Next, toujours, jamais. Toujours, which means always. The opposite is jamais, which means never. Toujours, jamais. Next is rarement. Rarement, souvent. Now rarement, which means rarely, and souvent, which means often. Rarement, souvent. Let's repeat it once again. Beaucoup, peu. Bien, mal. Plus, moins. Toujours, jamais. Rarement, souvent. Yeah. So all of them are the adverbs that you cannot modify. These adverbs are not formed from the adjective. Now let's look at some of the more adverbs from the first category. That means the adverbs that you cannot modify. Alright. Now first is trop. Trop, which means too much. And the opposite is assez, enough. So trop, assez. Next one, maintenant. Maintenant. Maintenant, which means now or right now. The opposite is plus tard. Plus tard, which means later or later on. So maintenant, plus tard. Next, tôt. Tôt, which means early.
and the opposite is tard, which means late. All of them are adverbs, okay? So trop, assez, maintenant, plus tard, tôt, tard. Next, d'abord. D'abord, which means firstly or first of all. D'abord, and the opposite is enfin. Enfin, which means at last. There are some more whose opposite do not exist. So we say aussi. Aussi, that's an adverb. Also, parfois. Parfois, sometimes. Vite, fast. Très, very. Alright? Aussi, also. Parfois, sometimes. Vite, fast. Très, very. Alright? Let's just repeat it. Trop, assez. Maintenant, plus tard. Tôt, tard. D'abord, enfin. Aussi, parfois, vite, and très. So that's it for the first part of this series, wherein I have taught you what exactly is an adverb, what is the difference between an adjective and an adverb, and we have looked some of the adverbs which you cannot modify. In the second and in the third part of this series, I am going to teach you the adverbs which we form from the adjectives. So that's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for all the updates and reminders. And I'll see you soon with the next part of this video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.